Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook truffle mushroom pasta. This luxurious dish is surprisingly simple to create at home, bringing gourmet flavors to your table. We will focus on using fresh, high-quality ingredients to achieve a truly exquisite taste. You will need about 8 ounces of fresh pasta, 10 ounces of mixed mushrooms, and a good truffle product. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Now, let's prepare our star ingredients. Begin by gently cleaning your 10 ounces of mushrooms with a damp cloth, then slice them into uniform pieces. Next, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small shallot. These aromatics will build a fantastic flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a large skillet. Sauté the mushrooms until they are beautifully golden brown, then add the minced garlic and shallot, cooking for about 1 minute more until fragrant. While your mushrooms are cooking, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil for your 8 ounces of fresh pasta. Cook it according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Back to our skillet, deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. Then, stir in 1 cup of rich heavy cream and 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Let this luxurious sauce simmer gently for about 3 minutes until it slightly thickens. For the grand finale, drain your perfectly cooked pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. Add the drained pasta directly into your creamy mushroom sauce, tossing to coat every strand beautifully. Now, for that signature aroma, stir in 1 tablespoon of high-quality truffle oil, or generously shave fresh truffle over the dish. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley and serve this exquisite truffle mushroom pasta immediately. Enjoy every luxurious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.